everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Jo. Today I'm going to show you a very simple little activity that will bring a lot of joy to our feathered friends. We're going to make some little pine cone bird feeders. So you need some pine cones and you need a length of string or twine, whatever you've got. Thread it round and make sure you've got that tied in place before you start, okay? Because you're not going to be able to attach it once we've done this. So put those to one side and in a mixing bowl put some lard. So a bit of lard in the bowl. Then you add to that a selection of things like chopped nuts, some seeds, whatever you've got, sprinkle some in. A little bit of dried fruit is great, birds love that, so let's add some dried fruit to it. Yeah, I've got all sorts of different seeds, and whatever you've got in the cupboard is just great. Okay, so in your bowl with your lard, which is softened, don't use it straight from the fridge or this will never work. Okay, everything's in there. Now this is the lovely messy bit. You get your hands in and you squidge it all together, okay? Mix it all in. You are going to get very messy, but hey, it's only a bit of lard, a bit of fat, it washes off. And the birds are going to love you for it. So mix that in using your fingers till it's all nicely mixed. And all the bits of seeds and everything else are coated with the lard. This is going to keep the birds going through the winter. They're going to really love you for it. I think that needs a little bit more seed, so let's add a little bit more in. If you've got bird seed, great. I happen to have a few mixed seeds in my cupboard, I've used those. As I say, whatever you've got, they're going to love you for it. So you then get your pine cone and starting at the bottom, start to push the mixture in between all the little leaves, spikes and things. Push it in, use your fingers, it gets lovely and messy. And you do that all the way round it. Okay, and actually that's taken far more mixture than I thought. This one is probably about half a pack of lard, and you saw the amount of seeds and things I poked in. Right, just keep going, squidging it in as much as you can. Right, nice and full. Now the next thing that you have to do is stick it in the fridge. Let it harden up a bit. If you put it out just like this, if it's slightly damp or anything, it's just going to squidge straight off. But there we go, really, really simple. One very luscious pine cone fat ball, which the birds are going to absolutely love you for. Okay, so that's it. Quick, easy, simple, but delicious for the birds. Thanks.